Hi guys, good morning everyone. So ito po si Charlie Edsel Valera of EDS Mix Vlogs. So sa ngayon, nandito po tayo sa Equilibrio Chiropractic. So later on, pupunta po tayo sa chiropractic doctor, Dr. Sasha. Undergo po tayo ng chiropractic adjustment. So stay tuned and we will look forward for you. Thank you.